How to make dragon boat festival food.
How do we make these? You want to find out? Zongzi. Step 1, wet the leaves. Uncooked, sticky rice. 2, with 2 leaves. Fold them like this. There you go, fold. Leave a little hole. Put the rice in. Sticky rice, stickier the better. Put in the filling, red bean, meat, whatever you want. Put it in there. Cover with another layer of rice over the filling. Pat it down good. Here's how you close it up. Fold it in and flap it over. Pinch, fold. Straighten. Sort of like origami, plant origami. Tie it up good. Ta-da! Boil until cooked, then eat. Yummy, yummy.